Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sioux County in south-central North Dakota until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Selfridge, or 15 miles northwest of McLaughlin, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Selfridge around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Standing Rock. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.